Sparex has a range of tyres and inner tubes. Within this range we have various repair kits. Today we're going to show you the ATV tyre repair kit. Contents of this kit are needle, reamer, cords and some Vaseline. Now get in the tyre, make a incision into the tyre, creating the hole. First tool for the repair will be the reamer. In a clockwise manner, screw the reamer into the hole and push in and out. The purpose of the reamer is to clean any debris through the hole and allow a good clean contact area. Next tool for the job is the needle. With the needle you thread through the repair cord. Prior to putting the cord through the needle, you will actually want to just dip it into some grease, just easing the installation into the tyre of the cord. With the cord, push through the eye of the needle so you have approximately halfway through. Once in that position, just pull the cords back and basically push a needle in through the hole and continue going through into the tyre so you have roughly 20-25 mm showing of the cord. Once in that position, you can then push your collar forward up against the tyre and pull back on the needle, which opens it up and allows the cord to pass through the opening in the tip of the needle. I'd recommend you leave it like that for a couple of minutes before putting the tyre back on the vehicle. Whilst you wait, you can either trim the remaining cord off or alternatively just leave it there and it will naturally scrub away within a few days of being back on the vehicle.